Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a stamp animation like the one in the preview, and it's really simple, so it'll only take a couple of minutes, and let's get right into it to learn how to do it. In your new presentation, you just want to change the layout to blank again. Well, you can keep it as title slide if you want, but blank is easy to work with. And then you search up whatever image you want. I've just got this approved stamp, and it doesn't even need to be a stamp. It can be any image or text. And what we're going to do is just control V that into the slide. So we're just going to first of all just rotate this a bit, and then we're just going to make it a good size for where you want it to go. So I'm going to make it like that. Now you can copy this, and then this is important. Make sure you go back to the first. Well, actually, you can switch it around later, but it's easy if you go to the first slide, and then zoom out as far as you can. Now just resize this up as big as possible, like there, and make it so that there's like a gap there, so it just looks like a blank slide from the perspective of the person watching the slide, and they don't actually know that there's this giant approved stamp outside the slide, but you can't see that right now. So what we're going to do is on the second slide, we're going to add this morph animation. We've used this before in, for example, my reveal text animation, one of the first tutorials I've ever made. And you're just going to choose morph and then change the duration to something you like, and I'm going to put it to 0.25. And if I play this animation, you can see it looks exactly like a stamp animation, and it looks really professional, and it's a really good animation. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.